Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I am going to show you how to scrape Google Maps data using Gmaps Google Chrome extension. You can use this for run an email campaign and sell affiliate product as well. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. So first of all, we need to add Gmaps extension to my Chrome browser. Let me show you. Just click on new tab and type out Gmaps extractor. In the first link, just click on this link. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. Now we need to add the extension to my Chrome browser. For this, just click on add to Chrome. After that, download the extension on this button. Just click on this so that extension has been downloaded. Just click on this folder and click on the right button and then extract this folder. Now simply go back to the Chrome browser. So now we need to install the extension to my Chrome browser. So for this, just click on three dot menu and then click on extension and then manage extension. Maybe you see your developer mode is off. Make sure the developer mode is on and then click on load unpack right here. Just click on this and select the folder that we have extract earlier. Just click on select the folder. Just take a look. The extension has been added to my Chrome. So now just click on the extension list and then click on pin to right here so that you can access this extension easily. So now click on new tab and then click on the extension. So you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Just click on this sign in with Google. Select your Gmail account, click on continue and just take a look. You already signed in with the extension. So now just click on open to Google Maps and then type your targeted niche like marketing agency in London. Just click on enter. Just take a look. There are lots of business information are there. So now click on start extracting. Just take a look. They're telling free account can only extract 10 results. So if you need more results to extract from this way, you need to upgrade this. So now for showing purpose, I'm not upgrading right now. So click on the export detail leads. Just click on this so that the Excel file is already been downloaded. Just click on the folder and then open it. Just take a look. Within a few seconds, the extension collected many more data is there. Just take a look. The business name, description, full address, category, phone number. The good thing is the phone number is there. It is easy to contact them. And the Google business claim, this is yes or not, review, average rating, website, domain and many more information is there. So depending on your needs, you can keep and remove them and clean it up from this spreadsheet. If you need any scraping service regarding this or any type of scraping service, feel free to contact me. I have a team also. So this is the easiest process how to scrape Google Maps data using Gmaps Google Chrome extension. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.